you guys want to become tester, I'll tell you now. So as a tester, if you come over here and follow me, you get the Jeffy skin. You get Jeffy, and you get the Tester Panda. I don't know what the Tester Panda is right now. And then how to become a tester, sign up in the Discord right here. And once you sign up, you should see like buttons called Tester Apps. When you go to Tester Apps, click on it, and then you go to and then after like on the 15th or like the 30th or like July 1st, they're gonna announce trainee testers. And once you become a trainee tester, you have to report 5 bugs or make 5 different submissions on telling how good the update is and like stuff. And then you can go on beta test and you see a lot of other cool stuff in early access.